Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Audi RS6 exhaust systems. We'll dive into the key differences between Milltek and Akrapovic, two leading brands in the aftermarket exhaust world. Our goal is to help you understand which system might be the perfect fit for your Audi RS6, considering factors like sound, build quality, and performance. Let's explore what each brand brings to the table for your high-performance wagon. Milltek exhausts are renowned for their distinctive, aggressive sound, often described as a deep V8 growl that can truly wake up your RS6. These systems are generally constructed from high-quality T300 stainless steel, ensuring durability and a long lifespan. Milltek offers a range of configurations, from resonated options for a more subdued tone to non-resonated setups for maximum volume. They focus on enhancing the car's natural acoustics while minimizing unwanted cabin drone, making them suitable for daily driving and spirited runs. Akrapovic exhausts are synonymous with premium quality and performance, often utilizing lightweight, high-grade titanium. This material choice results in significant weight savings, sometimes over 30% compared to stock systems. Their sound profile is typically more refined and exotic, offering a dynamic range from a deep rumble to a high-frequency top end without intrusive drone. Akrapovic systems are also known for measurable performance gains, with dyno tests showing increases of approximately 15 horsepower and 18 newton-meters of torque, enhancing throttle response and overall driving dynamics. Deciding between Milltek and Akrapovic ultimately comes down to your personal preferences. If you prioritize a raw, aggressive V8 roar and robust stainless steel construction, Milltek might be your ideal choice. However, if you seek a more refined, exotic sound, significant weight reduction, and the prestige of titanium, Akrapovic stands out. Both brands deliver exceptional quality and performance upgrades for your Audi RS6. Also, check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals to enhance your lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.